Hey everyone, and a happy Thanksgiving to you. This is meteorologist Mike Griffith for Carolina Weather Authority. Pretty much all summer, Josh has been doing the videos for the hurricane season, a very hyperactive hurricane season indeed, and we made it all the way into the Greek letters. Looks like things have died down for now, and we can probably start talking about snow. Looking at the satellite imagery across the United States right now, we have some rain and some heavier showers moving through the Carolinas over here as we have a cold front that's going to flatten out or just kind of stall just over the southeast coast. So, folks along the beaches and the coastal plain of North Carolina and South Carolina probably see some random shower activity as the day continues. Some areas will get heavier stuff than others that will not actually get the heaviest stuff. But what are we looking at here? What's the item of interest as far as what is coming next week after this storm system pushes through? That's the big question, and that's what has social media, Twitter, Facebook, all the weather pages talking about what could be coming down the pipeline here for us into early next week. So, looking at the GFS, quick and dirty way of looking at the what the overall trend is going to be. This isn't going to be exact, so we're looking at Sunday into Monday here. This is where the southern low pressure system starts to take shape across the southern U.S. And I really hate that point and click thing, but anyway, we'll turn that off so I can show you more clearly what we're having here. So this storm system is going to slide across the southeast. If this pattern can keep up through much of December, look out. I think that we could be in for a little bit of a ride, especially with the big ridge that's going to be building over the western U.S. So looks like it's mainly going to be rain across the Carolina, Piedmont, Southeast Virginia, South Carolina, all the way down in the Florida. So it's a pretty powerful storm system, and most likely it's going to be an Ohio Valley snowstorm to the west of the Appalachians, maybe including the Appalachians. We think that the Appalachians are going to probably see some flakes out of this thing before it's all said and done. And then by December 1st, it moves up into the northeast, but a low pressure system kind of stalls and cuts off in the Ohio Valley around December 1st, and just sits there and dumps snow. Much colder pattern as we enter December, as we've been forecasting here at Carolina Weather Authority, and the cold air is going to spill all the way down into the Florida Panhandle more than likely as we start December. And here's another item of interest moving across the southern U.S. Take note of this blob or feature across Texas and the Deep South. As this disturbance moves east on the 5th or the 4th into the 5th or so, it looks like there could be some kind of feature. The GFS has it flattened out, but this is what we're going to have to keep a close eye on. Around the 4th, 5th, or 6th or so of December, which is a potential coastal low that has a lot of snow enthusiasts really blown up social media right now. The European says that the Appalachians are going to see some snow, some of the white stuff, as the clock hits December into December 1st. And then the Euro is actually seeing that coastal low from the 4th into the 5th or so. And it looks like maybe D.C. and even areas south of D.C. could see something out of this, according to the Euro. However, these coastal systems are very, very, very hard to predict, and you never know what they're going to do, or even if they are going to form at all. So let's take a look at our forecast graphic here for what we can expect for the beginning of December. If I can only find the graphic here. And here it is, and this is what our thoughts are, according to the cover image of this video. So the first round will be around December 1st or so. This looks like to be an Appalachian runner, and the heaviest snow is going to be up in the Ohio Valley. Probably maybe even some heftier snow amounts if they can get some banding up in this area from this Appalachian low. Then this system doesn't move through until after this one does. So we're looking at the 12th or the 5th time frame if this were to happen. It's still not a guarantee yet, but parts of Eastern Carolina could be in for some of the white stuff in here if this does actually develop and is strong enough. Otherwise, it's just going to be rain on the 12th, the 4th into the 5th. And that could just be all that we see here across the Piedmont. But the point to take away is that this pattern, if it stays active, could definitely be something to watch as we head into December and even into mid and late December, because this could be what we were missing from last year that we were calling for and it never happened. It just skipped a year and might be happening this year instead. We'll see. Lots of exciting stuff to come here on Carolina Weather Authority. Probably going to have a talk show with meteorologist Josh Nagelberg, the other meteorologist on this page. Maybe even a guest, Storm Tracker Sacker from Johnson City, Tennessee. So stay tuned, and we're going to be switching over to winter mode here on YouTube if there's no more stuff in the tropics to talk about. And we will keep you posted. Everybody, thanks a lot for watching this, and be sure to share this video, and of course subscribe to our channel with the button below.